Welcome back. Today I'm going to replace the third brake light, bed light on my 96. That's the factory one right there. Nothing wrong with it, works just fine. Just have a problem with purchasing stuff off of eBay. I found this guy. I don't know if you can see, it's got little LEDs in there. Oh, zoom. There we go. Got little LEDs in there. So the middle ones are red. Those three outside ones are clear for the bed lights. Just has the factory looking plug on there. 2 screws. Got this white seal on there. I imagine you'd peel off that white. It's probably sticky, so first step is going to be take the screwdriver and get these screws out. I don't know how a lot of you people make these videos with only one hand. It gets a little tough. So there she's out. Just that little clip right there. Boop. So I guess if you need a factory one of these, you can find this one. I'll probably put it on eBay here in a couple days, so you'll probably be able to find it on eBay. So now, next step here is going to be, I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so I'm going to stop this. I'm going to take the white covering off of this foam strip, install it back onto there. Maybe clean up. You can see how there's mildew all around here. I mean, this thing hasn't been off of there in a long time, so I think I might clean that up, get this off of here, and then I will be back to reinstall. Well, that product, she worked pretty darn good. She cleaned it all up nice. So now fish this stuff up into there. Get this thing where are the screw holes? Right there. There's a screw hole. There's a screw hole. Man, I'll have to clean these up and paint them black here in the future. One of my idols, Greg A, would not be happy with that. Sorry, Greg. Sometimes you just gotta rock it. Huh. Well, she's on there. I like it. It looks good, but not too happy with like the fitment up in here, you know. That foam piece there. You know, it's like awkward lighting here. I don't know what the heck's going on with the lighting situation. But there's the new light. Let's see if we can test her out a little bit here. Alright, so there we have the 3 little lights on each side for the bed lights. I don't know how bright them are going to be with the with that tinted light like that, but I do like the tinted. That looks sharp. That definitely looks sharp. So let's try the brake light now. Alright, so to get our brake light to come on, we're going to use this is my high idle kit. Some of you may get that, some of you may not. So put it onto the brake pedal. Easier said than done. Let me set you down for a second here. Alright, so to test the third brake light, we have the, get out of here, bug. We got my high idle kit installed. Instead of going to the throttle pedal, we just go to the brake pedal. It's adjustable. You just grab onto a lever, move the seat forward and backward to get your desired RPM. Move it up and down onto the throttle pedal there. Crazy, you know. Why spend all that money for a fancy one? So, there she is. The brake light and the LEDs working. I do like the look of that. That is nice. So, there she is, folks. Come on back now, you hear?